are the best Valorant agents for beginners in my opinion. In fifth is the Sage, who has one of the easiest utilities to learn and maximize to its full potential. The fourth we have is the Killjoy, great option for picking up information and dealing some extra damage with the turret. Cypher is our third place pick, which is also great for gaining information and supporting your team. In second, we have Phoenix, one of, if not the easiest duelist to learn. His alt gives you an extra life which can help beginners get in an extra gunfight to help improve. First place goes to Brimstone. His smokes and molly are easy to use and can be used for taking over a site or to slow down offensive pushes. Do you agree? Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.